Owens Corning University offers a wealth of knowledge and training for every learning style. Under the OCU umbrella, you'll find a growing library of resources, including OCU On-Demand, module and course-based content that can bring every part of a contractor's team up to speed. And Power Hour webinars that cover topics in more depth. Or OCU Live, where you can learn in person with other industry experts. Learning snacks are quick, bite-sized modules delivered to your inbox. The Learning Hub is where you'll find curated resources such as on-demand webinars, installation videos, and training materials. And ProTrained serves up short videos that give a high-level overview of some of the most relevant topics in roofing. All of these educational tools fall under the OCU umbrella and are available for free when you become a part of the Owens Corning Roofing Contractor Network.